Hi, I'm Ryan Carlstedt, Fixed Operations Director at Willis Automotive. Here at Willis, our goal is to always provide the ultimate guest experience. With that said, I'm very excited to introduce the latest in our long list of amenities, complimentary video vehicle multi-point inspections. We are adding technology to our inspection process. What that means is our factory-trained technicians will perform a complete vehicle inspection, noting all of their findings. While doing the inspections, they'll shoot a short video pointing out any issues that are an immediate concern or other findings that might require future attention.
During your multi-point inspection, we noticed that...
That way, you can see what they see. You will receive a text message with the video and other direct communications from our service consultants.
Has some sidewall damage to it. Your main concern when you came in was your AC not working. We found a leak on your rear.
The process is very simple. All you have to do is opt in with your service consultant at the time of write-up.
We'll get with you and get you an estimate. Thank you.
I hope you enjoy this personalized service, and I look forward to seeing you soon.